Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Geeks, and it's me, Roshan Shrestha. On today's sitting, we'll be talking about writing our very first program in C programming language, that is Hello World program. We'll be using CodeBlocks compiler for this purpose. Let's begin with create a new project. We'll be opting for building console application. I'm pressing go. Next, then let's select C programming language. Next, we can write anything like test or something else, like let's go with Hello World. We can create our own folder as well by making new folder and giving it some name as C programming. Okay, cool. Next, our compiler is going to be GNU-GC compiler. Then let's press finish. See, this is the file where we are going to do all the work. .c extension is standing for C programming language here. This one is termed as header file. std standing for standard, IO standing for input output, and .s representing that it is header file. Similarly, stdlib stands for standard library. int main, this particular function represents the application's entry point. Int is standing for function with return type. We'll be talking about types of functions afterward. For now, let's not worry about what is int or something else. That something else is going to be obviously void or other stuff. I'm going on with int. This particular function represents the application's entry point. That is, it's going to begin from here. Printf function, whenever we need to display something, we'll be using this particular printf function. Printf is used for displaying some content, and the rule for writing this particular printf function is printf, then open and close of this particular bracket. Similarly, the beginning and closing of the inverted comma. Hello world is the content which we need to display. Return 0 means that this particular function will be expecting some return value. To sum it up, whenever we need to write any new program, we need to populate our program with these contents, and within this particular block or area we'll be populating the statements as per our requirement. And if we remove this particular header file, then also there isn't going to be any difference, because we are not using the functions associated with the stdlib.s at the moment, so you can remove it or place it as it is. Now this is our first program. We can write any content as per our requirement, hello world or something else. Let's n standing for next line. I don't need it either. Now this is the program I'm opting to write. These are header files. It indicates application's entry point. This is being used for displaying the content, whose definition is placed under this particular resource termed as header file. Now let's try to build and run this particular application. Cool, this is our very first program in C language. Hello world.exe standing for executable file. It enters here, then here comes the displaying of the content, which is populated inside this particular printf function. Then return 0 concludes the returning of some particular values to the function which is expecting the return value. Okay guys, this is how we write the program in C language. Before wrapping up, let's remove this particular header file stdlib and build and run. There's no difference whatsoever. Hope this one was helpful for you guys. I'll be catching you on next one. Have a good time.